Glad. Sophie just teach me a new language. It says Bomboclat. Anyway, hi guys. I'm in my hotel at the moment. Hello, people. Hai Yara. Yara. Wajah aku emang gak mulus, guys. I'm a freaking human. I'm not the goddamn AI shit. Hello, Nathan. Hello, everyone. Jarang banget. Kayak I rarely go on a live, actually. Yara. Today I supposed to get my skin tanned, but turns out there are no freaking sun. Like there are no freaking sun. I swear. Ooh, where? Where's the sun? Gak ada. I'm like shit. Shibal. Gimana anjir? Gak ada cong. There are no exclusive TikToks anymore. No. Sudah tidak ada. Sumpah ya, ini kalau misalkan kalian mau ada intention ke Bali pada saat aku mau kayak kol-kol. Pada saat bulan-bulan Desember ini jangan. This is not a good time to go to freaking Bali. I swear to God. Jalanannya pada macet-macet banget. Terus jalan lagi pada dibenerin. Canggu kemarin banjir, tapi untungnya I missed the floods, so I'm safe here right now. But still, there are no freaking goddamn sun. Especially if you're a girl and then you want to get your skin tanned, you cannot expect Bali anymore. For now, at least. Makanya ini, and then my friend dia suruh aku buat kalau nggak pakai ini aja ke tempat UV aja. Jadi di Bali itu ada tempat dia itu memang buat get our skin tanned gitu loh, without the sun. So they're using a UV light. Nah cuman gue takut banget kan kalau misalkan tiba-tiba kayak yang di Final Destination kan gue metong gimana cong. So scared. Gue suka banget bikin ekspresi kayak it's just so fun. I don't know why. Betul kalau kamu notice my necklace kuda. How older are you? How older are you? Maksudnya? How old I am? How old are you kali? How old are you kali ya? Gak pos sama calonnya Kak Han. Calon gue. Kuda kali maksudnya. Guys, I don't know why. At this point of my life, I just want to be alone. I easily got pissed off by any fucking guy, any fucking single male creatures that I found, that I met. I don't know why, guys. Especially kayak waktu minggu kemarin when I was getting my period. I was on my period, and usually when I'm on my period, aku tuh selalu avoid every fucking single motherfucker. Kayak literally semuanya, bener-bener semuanya, teman-teman aku, mau yang cewek mau yang cowok, even my boss, my clients, semuanya pasti kayak fuck you, stay away from me. Kalau misalkan aku lagi on my period, yang day 1 and day 2, itu gila banget sih. My English limit little gimana caranya biar kayak kakak. Please check highlights aku yang ada judulnya English Talk. Ada judulnya English Talk. Di situ bisa dilihat ya dari awal sampai akhir, jangan males. Kuncinya dari awal adalah jangan males. Kalau dari awal udah males, mau gua ngomong babi bu dari A sampai Z juga lu gak bakal bisa. Gimana sih? Gak berkuda hari ini? Enggak. I'm in Bali at the moment, and I will stay here for like probably a week or maybe I think a week, and then aku bakalan balik ke Jakarta dulu to check up on the kiddos, for check up anak-anak. Abis itu baru balik lagi ke sini mungkin ya. Iya tahu kalung baru. Emang sebenarnya bukan baru apa enggaknya sih, tapi kuda anjir. Dan cincin aku bukan yang ini ya, ini mah Pandora biasa. Yang ini adalah, kalau misalkan kalian gak tahu, ini adalah tapal kuda, aka sepatu kuda yang besi yang dipaku di kaki, di kuku mereka. Tapal kuda, gue serba kuda. Ini tapal kuda, kalung gue kuda. Terus aku juga punya antingnya tapal kuda juga, tapi nggak aku pakai karena kecil banget. Gokil, soalnya bertema kuda. Iya men, aku udah nonton wayang pakai sub English biar cepet bisa. Ya itu boleh, itu juga bagus. Sama aja kayak nonton ini sih, kayak sama aja kayak nonton film. Kalau aku dulu pas masih les, jadi kita itu ada kayak free time session gitu. Nah free time session ini biasanya abis kita ulangan. Abis itu kita nonton film yang pakai bahasa Inggris, tapi kita nggak pakai subtitle. Jakarta or Bali? Right now I would prefer Jakarta sih, for this condition of Bali. For now, I cannot get any freaking sun. It sucks. I look so fucking pale. Kalau misalnya kalian kayak ngiranya, Hani tuh hitam banget ya. No, guys, I want to be darker than this shade. Even my concealer, ini concealer aku, shade-nya lihat. Kalian lihat kan? Ini lebih gelap daripada muka aku. Should be darker. So this is the kind of shade that I want for my whole entire body part. But now I just can't get tanned. Gelap apa? Mantap tipsnya, sini main Kanada kak. Kenapa tiba-tiba Kanada? Is Bali really that bad right now? I mean, it's not that bad, you know. It's not that bad, but like for me, I just don't like it when I'm in Bali. And then like the first thing that comes on my mind when I'm in Bali is like, okay, bitch, I want to get tanned. I want to get the freaking gorgeous tan line. I like to have a tan line here. That's why I like to wear bikinis, like covering all of my chest. So I could, once I take it off, it's like fucking gorgeous tan lines here. But then It's like raining almost every time. Yeah. It's almost every time. But that is not that bad. I mean, like, you still could go on a beach on like early evening time, but I don't think you could go on the afternoon time and catch the sun. The weather is so humid here. Aku lagi di Kanada tersesat. Ya, get well soon. Ya, semoga cepat-cepat tidak tersesat. Ini saja kayak kakaknya. Aku aja masih belepotan. Aku juga masih belepotan. Emang kamu kira aku nggak belepotan? Aku tuh belepotan, guys. Aku tuh kalau misalkan ngomong bahasa, nggak usah bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia aja aku masih belepotan, masih kayak that's me. Bosen deh gue. Udah lah ya, aku gak usah nge-live. Sore-sore mendung ngeliat si anjrit. Aku tuh kalau nge-live bukan pengen digodain, guys. Aku pengen ngobrol. Kayak kalau misalkan it's only like, hi cantik, hi gorgeous, like, what can I say other than thank you and cut the freaking conversation? Tapi enak dengar kalau kakaknya yang speak up. Yeah, well, it depends on the person juga sih. Maksudnya balik lagi ke orang yang masing-masing. Ada beberapa orang yang bilang aku malahan ngomongnya tuh ribet gitu loh, karena bahasanya campur-campur. Ya kalau lo nggak suka, get the fuck out, motherfucker. Don't stay at my page. What the hell are you doing here? That's the way I speak, that's the way I talk, that's the way I want it. That's the way I'm comfortable with it. Party aja gak sih di Bali? I am partying. Like, if you're wondering, do I go to party? I am. Tapi aku tuh paling party ke tempat yang udah misalkan aku udah, for example, aku udah nemu tempat yang enak gitu ya, maksudnya yang nyambung sama aku musiknya, and then everywhere gitu, everything right. Ya udah, aku bakal ke situ-situ terus. Where's the Habibi? The Habibi? Which Habibi? Which one? No, which one? I mean, the only Habibi that I would say it's my Habibi is my big brother. He's staying at Lovina right now. He's living in Lovina already with his daughter. And then like a couple of weeks ago, I went there to see both of them, and it's really nice. Uluwatullah, honey, let's go. What the hell, man? I don't want to go anywhere. Lovina Dolphins, yeah. When we talk about Lovina, people would say dolphins. You're the most beautiful in 2025. Yeah, thanks, I guess. Jaksel yuk. Orang gila, gue lagi di Bali, Jaksel yuk. Jangan gila-gila Jaksel. Nih literally gue nge-live sebenarnya ngapain sih? Yang ngajak ngobrol nggak ada. Any horse riding in Bali? There is. In Tabanan ada. Di Seminyak ada juga actually. Oh, di Canggu, not Seminyak. Di Canggu actually ada stable. And then also di Sanur. Kalau misalkan you wanna go on a beach riding. Tapi kalau beach riding, it's not for beginner ya guys. I mean, it's not for a first timer lah. Kalau beginner kayaknya masih boleh deh. Karena tuh bener-bener yang kayak nih kuda, kalau lu nggak pintar ngarahinnya, nih dia bisa beneran loncat, tau nggak? Karena kalian belajar bahasa Inggris biar konsisten. Dengar baik-baik ya, catet. Aku itu udah bikin highlight on my IG. Di highlight itu I've explained dari A sampai Z, literally dari A sampai Z. Di highlight aku itu judulnya English Talk. So if you really do have a willingness to speak in English and to learn, start dari jangan malas dan pasang kuping ya. Lebih susah ya di beach. Bukan lebih susah sih, lebih tepatnya horses when they're on the beach, especially horse yang udah kebiasa dipakai buat di pantai ya, bukan dipakai buat training session gitu ya. Training session kan ada passage, and then trot, walk, up and down, canter. Dia almost, it's like nearly impossible for the horse to gallop. Gallop tuh lari yang kayak tuk 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 kayak gitu, bukan kayak derdeng derdeng derdeng. That's canter. Temponya tuh derdeng 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 derdeng. That's canter. But when they're on the beach, they will actually like wah, crazy. Kalau kaki kamu belum bisa nahan ya, belum bisa ngejepit kudanya, itu bisa pental. Dan harus cari welfare yang benar juga, maksudnya stable yang benar. Kalau misalkan tuh stable atau enggak kayak cuman kuda-kuda yang mantang di pantai gitu, terus kudanya udah kelihatan bet kurus, banyak luka-luka, jangan ya teman-teman. That's fucking animal cruelty. Have you rode a camel before? I rode a camel once in Egypt and I almost fell off. No, never. I'll take you to the camera. I'll take you to the camera. To the pyramid. To the pyramid. Kamu jerawatan juga? Iya, aku jerawatan juga. Because I'm a fucking human. I'm a fucking human being. I'm not a freaking AI that you expect that I will be. Oh, she's so fucking perfect. No. No. Of course not. Duh. Gue juga ngerti sih sebenarnya, kayak maksud gue orang-orang tuh, oh, this reminds me sama what happened to Davina Karamoy. Itu kasihan banget anjir. Dan yang ngatain dia di real life jelek itu, yang kan ada dia di video ini gitu lah. Terus si orang yang ngevideoin ini ngomong, kok sih jelek? No, I ever saw her in real life and she's not ugly. And what's so wrong with that, you know? Like, if she's look prettier on her socials, it's up to her. It doesn't mean that she's a fucking catfish or anything. Lagian juga maksudnya bedanya beda semana sih anjing. Maksud gue gak usah beda apa enggak deh, memang seperfect apa bisa ngatain orang kayak gitu loh anjir. Crazy people. Why do people here ask so many dumb questions? Bukan seperti yang lain. Kamu strong sama wajahnya. Strong. I'm a strong woman. flying to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me feel Tapi sumpah ya guys, ini tuh beneran deh. Kayak orang-orang when they're actually pretty outside, most of them will also pretty inside. Sumpah. Tapi ini cuman dari my personal experience doang ya. Kayak yang mukanya kayak curut tuh justru malahan beneran ngeselin anjir. Sumpah. Because most Indonesians love to judge. They got nothing better to do with their lives. Yeah, it's true. It's so true. Honestly, it's so true. Like, if you notice, every controversial content itu bakalan lebih ke hype dibanding konten-konten yang emang matter gitu loh. Emang konten-konten yang positif. And it's actually true. It's actually true. So if you're wondering why most creators posting something stupid or just something yang doesn't really matter, you know, it's actually because like that's what you guys loves to see. That's why the engagement is higher. Kan kalian yang membuktikan sendiri, not us. And somehow it's like when they have something, they will love it when they have something bad to say about, you know. But when the content is like a good content, like at the point that they cannot say anything bad to the content, they will not say anything, because they could only say bad things. They couldn't say nice things, you know. But when it's their turn to get judged, pasti ngamuk, susah kan? Is that rendah? Yeah. And then netizen Indonesia is like, they feel like everything is so personal, you know? Like, what the fuck, man? Like, when I say something about you guys, I'm saying based on fucking fact. It's true. See what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, I think I want to go on a shopping today. Or not. I'll go on a shopping spree if Sophie lets me. Because I told her kayak, Soph, kayak gue udah gak boleh shopping lagi deh. Karena literally kayak gue shopping mulu tiap kali gue kesini. Anjir, gue capek banget. Maksudnya netizen Indo itu pengangguran, jadi wajar aja sih kita we work our ass off and all they do is scroll and comment. I mean, most of them do that. So like, if you actually have a life, you don't even have a time to do that shit to a fucking random person that you met on social media, motherfucker. So yeah. Belum ada rencana nyata nikah. Aku nikah tahun depan. Kalian gak percaya banget sih sama aku. Dibilangin gue tuh nikah tahun depan. Next year, I'll get married by next year. Wallahi. If I see more comments yang dots, I'll fucking block the account ya guys. I'll fucking block the account. I swear to God, wallah. Halas, it's done. Coba diri maksudnya? Kok nyuruh-nyuruh nyoba diri? Calm. Pak Hida. Tuh, ini guys nih. Si Hida. Mau apa sih? La Sensor, Victoria's Secret obviously. Terus mereka kapan nikah? Like as of nikah is some, yeah, I mean, lagian kalian, you're asking me when will I get married? Do you even know how old I am? Do you even know how old I am? Crazy questions. Spill outfit. It's on my gang now. It's on my gang now, if you wanna know. I won't freaking fall for that trap. Gak berkuda kakak. Gue di Bali seminggu dulu nih pak. Abis itu gue balik ke Jakarta, lihat anak-anak baru berkuda. I just arrived here by yesterday actually. Oh shit, it's low battery. Fuck. You're too young and you have a whole life ahead of you. Don't worry about marriages. Of course. But if someone's asked me like, would I get married soon? If I meet the right person, I would. Like, I actually would, you know, because like, you have no idea how tired I am with letting people and giving a chance to people and letting people know that I'm single, you know. It's like, once they know that I'm single, it's like, they actually will try. And I really hate that, actually. Like, I just want to, you know, if there's like a random day and then there's my friends like calling me, hey honey, let's go on a party, blah, 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 blah. Let's go here, let's go there, let's go hang out. And I'll just be like, I'm sorry, I'm with my husband, I'm sorry, I need to take care of my husband, I'm sorry, I need to come to my husband's meeting. I want that. Emang si Arya nanya apa? Budaya termasuk hobi yang mahal gak sih kak? Gini ya, jangan dibilang mahal. Kalau lu ngomongin kuda ke aku, don't say that berkuda itu mahal. Walaupun emang realistically it's expensive, but it's like a burning of fucking money, right? But for me, if you were literally in love with the horse, you will use your money as a mercy. Kalau aku sih gitu ya. For example kayak Black Honey aku nggak pernah riding dia, aku nggak pernah latih dia. Simply stabling doang, simply supaya dia terawat aja. Because aku kasihan lihat dia waktu itu. Ke Bali ngapain? Hayo. Menurut lo aja. Menurut lo aja Pak Hida. Anjrit, pakai ditanya lagi nih, manusia gila ya. Sumpah kan gue udah bilang kalau komen di titik pasti gue blok, bro amat. Karena for me berkuda is not even hobi lagi gitu loh. Kayak aku ada goals buat kayak harus ikut champion ini Bakal ke Habibie. Enggak ada si Habibie. I didn't go with him. That Habibie motherfucker is like nggak di Indo lagi, dia sekarang lagi nggak di Indo. He told me to come with him to Dubai kan. Terus gue yang kayak, anjing lu siapa lo bawa gue cabut anjing from my fucking goddamn own country. and then I have to leave my kids for like a whole month. Gila, enggak lah, nggak bisa. Even 2 minggu pun gue nggak bisa, guys. If you're trying if my man trying to compare himself to a horse, to my horses gitu kan, wah, wallahi, it's done. Halas, end the fucking relationship. Don't even touch but my horses area. I'm not even kidding. If you think I'm joking, no, I'm not. I'm very, very serious about that. Anyway, kayaknya I need to charge my phone and then also charge this shit. Look at that. Isn't she so cute though? Kalung aku kuda. Ini adalah kuda. Anyway guys, udah ya, aku mau